Everybody keeps asking me what's coming next for Zontes. Well, I'll show you now. Zontes Kidden range of bikes has just launched the cruiser style bike with the 150cc Zontes engine. They of course have the 310cc and 350cc cruiser bike on the V and VX models, which has just been launched today, August 25th, 2023. The colour schemes are yellow, blue, black, red and white. Ford brake lever and shift levers like a cruiser bike would have. There's some tank, low seat height and low soft handlebars. All the normal features of ABS with the Zontes models. I'll now show you the launch video of the bike, so you can watch that. Please like and subscribe. This is Mad Mick. See you all later.
Don't be scared. Just double up. Crack. And if you get in my way, you gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I